To build a working digital twin, you can scan the space once with Polycam, and the result is a 3D model, a dimensioned 2D floor plan, and a structured spatial report, all from the same walkthrough, all ready before you leave the building. So what's missing from most digital twin programs? Well, most of them produce a 3D model and stop there. The 3D model shows you what the space looks like, but it can't tell you the square footage of a room or where a renovation scope starts, or the fixture count on that floor. Those answers live in the 2D floor plan. And if it wasn't captured at the same time as the 3D model, then someone has to go back and get it separately, or those numbers never even exist in the digital twin at all. A digital twin with a 3D model but no floor plan is a visualization. It can be viewed, but it can't be queried. For a facilities manager running maintenance scopes, an architect coordinating a renovation, or a contractor building a takeoff, that's not a twin, that's a fancy photo. So why does a floor plan matter for every role in AEC? Well, for facilities managers, square footage drives maintenance scopes and asset inventories. Without a structured floor plan, those numbers have to be pulled from somewhere else, usually a drawing set that's years out of date. For architects and contractors, the floor plan is the spatial reference that existing conditions drawings are built from. If it's traced from field notes rather than captured geometry, the inaccuracies compound through every drawing that follows. For portfolio owners and asset managers, lease management, capital project budgeting, and compliance reporting all need structured spatial data. That data has to come from somewhere. So how does Polycam capture all three layers at once? Polycam Space Mode captures the 3D model, the 2D floor plan, and the AI Spatial Report, which includes square footage, wall surface area, and fixture inventory in a single walkthrough. The AI detects walls, openings, fixtures, and furniture as you move, and by the time you finish the scan, all three outputs are ready on device. No cloud upload is required for most spaces, no return site visit, no separate drafting step. So what can you do with the outputs? The layer DXF imports into AutoCAD or Revit with walls, openings, fixtures, and room labels, all on separate named layers, ready to work from, not trace over. The 3D model exports as an OBJ or FBX for your visualization or twin platform of choice. And the AI Spatial Report drops directly into Excel or Procore. It's structured data, no reformatting required. Polycam's shareable links let architects, engineers, owners, and facilities teams walk the space remotely, with no software installation required and no return visit to answer a measurement question. So what does this cost and what does it cover? Polycam's business plan is $400 per user per year. That covers the full workflow. Team library with folder-level permissions, shareable links for stakeholder review, and flat pricing with no per space or per scan fees. Rescanning a building after a renovation doesn't trigger a separate cost event. In summary, to build a complete building-level digital twin, you can scan the space once with Polycam Space Mode and produce three outputs from a single walkthrough: a 3D model, a dimensioned 2D floor plan, and an AI spatial report covering square footage, wall surface area, and fixture inventory. The DXF exports into AutoCAD or Revit on named layers. The spatial data drops into Excel or Procore without reformatting. No specialist equipment, no dedicated scanning crew, no separate drafting step. Polycam's business plan is $400 per user per year with flat pricing. That's less than $34 a month, with no per scan fees, no per scan hosting costs, and you can start a 7-day free business trial at poly.cam. Try it for yourself.